Want to file your federal return for free? TurboTax Free Edition is available, but only for specific, simple tax situations. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. To qualify, your return must be what the IRS calls simple. This typically means you're taking the standard deduction, not itemizing, and your income is only from W-2 jobs, interest under $1,500, or the earned income tax credit. You cannot have income from things like freelancing, 1099s, stocks, rental properties, or retirement distributions. You also can't need to claim deductions for student loan interest or educator expenses. My crucial pro tip: start at the IRS free file site. To get the truly free TurboTax Free Edition, not the upsell version, go through the IRS Free File Program website. This guarantees your free filing if your income is below a certain threshold, around $45,000 AGI. It's the safest path to no-cost filing. Know the rules to claim your truly free file. Will you qualify for a free file this year? Why or why not? For more honest guides about saving on tax prep, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.